this is Lisha Bata and welcome to my channel. So today's video is really interesting personally for me. So today I'm going to attempt being the key word. I'm going to attempt doing a Halloween's makeup look. So I didn't really want to do something cute or sexy, though I really like those looks as well. But since this is my first ever Halloween look, I wanted to do something which is scary, which is bloody, which is gory. So trigger warning, there will be a bit of fake blood. I have ordered a bunch of special effects makeup from Kryolan just to do this look. So in today's look, I'm particularly planning on doing a wound on my cheek, a nosebleed, and I am planning on making the symbols of the Squid Game on my chest. I really don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm actually very excited and also mildly scared and nervous. So before we get started and I tell you everything I bought and I walk you through the process, in case you are new to my channel and you're watching me for the first time, then please do consider subscribing. I do a lot of tutorials, not just Halloween looks. I do a lot of wearable looks as well, and I also review quite a bit of products. Now let's get started. So first I'm taking some Vaseline and I'm going to apply this to my fingers. Then taking the Scar Wax by Kryolan, I'm going to roll it up. Next, I'm going to try and stick this on my forehead. Then taking the spatula, I'm blending out the edges. The wax tends to stick to the spatula and it came right off. So here's round 2. I've used more Vaseline so that the wax does not stick to my finger. And then I'm again going to blend the edges with the spatula and I'm going to use some Vaseline as well. ये काफी tricky process है. I'm still not good at it, but I'm sure with practice I'll be able to figure it out. Then I'm going to apply some loose powder to prevent the shine of the wax. Next, I'm covering the wound with the foundation. I wanted a high coverage foundation, but as you can see, it's a bit too yellow and it's looking quite stark on the wound. But don't worry, we'll cover this right up. Then I'm taking the spatula and making an incision. You can also do this with a tweezer, but I do recommend getting a spatula because it helps with blending the wax edges very easily. You can buy one from Amazon as it's quite affordable. Then I'm placing the eyeshadow on the wound. I'm just using colors very intuitively. First I'm going in with the red eyeshadow and then I'm deepening it with the purple and the browns. I'm also using fluffy brushes so that it does not get too patchy. Now moving on to the second wound, I'm cleaning up my cheek because the wax tends to stick better on bare skin. The second time around was a little easier but still tricky. The problem is that if you use too much Vaseline, the wax does not stick, and if you use too less, then it sticks to the spatula and gets removed. Then I'm following the same procedure like I did on my forehead, making an incision and then powdering the wound. Also applying the foundation, but as you can see, the color is a good match for my skin tone. However, on the scar, it becomes too yellow and it was frustrating me so much. Going in with the eyeshadow, I'm placing the shades and then blending it out. I don't want any clean edges as it will not look natural. Now moving to the chest, I'm applying the Scar Wax, which was very difficult. It wasn't spreading easily and it was hurting me quite a bit. Then I ended up applying the latex, which was a very bad move because the latex dried up and I couldn't make any clean incisions. So I had to remove it, which was again very painful. Can you see how red and inflamed my skin had become? And that's when I almost decided to give up. So I actually called up Shraddha in between for some moral support and I showed her what I did and she absolutely loved the wounds and that made me feel better and I decided to give it another try. So I've reapplied the wax and already did the incision. Now post that, I'm going to apply the latex. I'm using the latex because I wanted the wax to stick well and not come off while I'm making the shapes. So now just creating the Squid Game symbols on my chest and applying the latex on the edges. I was a bit tired now and I just noticed that wax on my nose. I promise it's not a booger, it's just the wax that got stuck to my nose. But oh lord, this is embarrassing. Now after powdering it down, I decided to cut some latex to imitate the bullet wounds. Then I followed it up with the foundation, but soon I realized the eyeshadow was refusing to show up on the wound. That was because eyeshadows do not show up on the areas I've applied latex and I did not know this prior to doing the look. So instead I should have used alcohol activated colors or cream based colors. So I had to improvise a bit and I decided to just spread the eyeshadows a bit more all over my chest. Then taking the reds and the browns from this aqua color palette from Kryolan, I'm applying it inside the incisions. I'm using the deeper reds and brown on the edges. Then I got this Supreme Blood from Kryolan, and guys, the consistency of this is just like blood. This is the shade Light Red, and I'm just placing this inside the incisions. Then I'm taking the shade Deep Red and I'm using it to create some blood drips. This looks eerily realistic, especially the nosebleed, and I got some in my lips also. It tasted sweet, guys, don't worry, it didn't taste very bad. I decided to blend out the shadows on my chest a bit more, and voila, we are done. So guys, this is the final look, and boy did I struggle. I do like this car. ये मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा अच्छे से मैंने शैडो से भी ब्लेंड आउट किया है. दिस ऑल्सो लुक्स फाइन. दिस आई एम नॉट सो श्योर. तो चेस्ट एरिया का ना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था बिकॉज मैंने लेटेक्स लगाया एंड उसके ऊपर फाउंडेशन लगाई एंड इट जस्ट वाजंट टेकिंग द कलर ऑफ माय आई शैडो. मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे ना ट्रायंगल्स बनाना चाहिए, स्क्वायर बनाना चाहिए वैक्स से इंस्टेड ऑफ पुटिंग इट ऑल ओवर माय चेस्ट. बट आई डोंट नो, आई थॉट कि वो वर्कआउट नहीं होगा अच्छे से, बट डेफिनेटली पुटिंग द वैक्स ऑल ओवर माय चेस्ट wasn't the best idea because ये आई शैडो अब पिकअप कर ही नहीं रहा है. I mean, I tried so much. तो अगर ये अच्छे से मडी होता ना जैसे ये है around the edges, I feel like this would have looked so much better. But overall, ठीक है. I'm going to lather on more blood on my face for the final look. So if you'd like to see the पूरा bloody final look that I posted, bloody not as in I'm not abusing, but पूरा blood and gore wala final look that I posted on Instagram, then I will link the video in the description box below. Do let me know in the comments below what did you think of this look. बीच में तो ना मैं give up करने वाली थी, तो I think I'm just proud of myself for powering through. I definitely need to get better at special effects makeup. In fact, I'm just thinking I'm going to enroll myself at Kryolan because they have these courses on special effects. I really want to learn this and I want to master this art as well. जब मैंने मेकअप करना शुरू किया था नॉर्मल मेकअप, that also took me a while to get the hang of. तो ये भी मुझे पता है with practice I'll only get better at this. I really need to learn the technicalities of special effects makeup जो मुझे ज्यादा नहीं पता चल रहा through YouTube, I guess. But overall, आप बताओ आपको ये look कैसा लगा? And yeah, if you like this video, I don't know if you would have liked this video, but if you kind of can appreciate all the effort I did in this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well. Do comment down below and tell me what did you think of this look. I really want to know opinions. Even if it is negative, it's fine. It'll only help me grow. And if you're someone who is great with special effects makeup, then मुझे बताओ where I was going wrong. Give me some tips. I would love some honest feedback. So that's it for today's video. I will catch you guys the next time. Bye!